have looked so Indian. So Indian. Oh my god. I look so desi, so ethnic right now. Oh, this is the Diwali. The holy glam look for Diwali. And let me say this is a disclaimer, not for the faint-hearted, because it's extreme glam. You can see it, I have shimmery sparkly eyes with, two-tone color. There's a lot of stuff going on with a bold lip, a bold dress, a bindi. This is actually for the time, when you are going into a party, a Diwali party, it's going to be a huge lavish party and you want to look your best. This is going to be the night time. I mean, I loved it. I look so ethnic right now, I think I'm going to give this for my rishta. No, this is the same. So, if you want to see what I did and how I did, let's get into the video. Let's go. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected, and just follow me everywhere. So starting off with the primer first, this is the Blue Heavens primer. I'm going to take it and put it on my T-zone, all the areas. Also on the eyelids, because we need a proper base for the eyeshadows too. Now, just in case if you guys are wondering that, oh, it has been a really long time since she has had this injury. So let me tell you, I have been shooting continuously for like 2-3 days now. This is in the duration of 2-3 days. So the videos that I did a long ago were actually all shot in the same days. So this is like in the period of 3 days that this entire incident has happened, and by the time video is actually going to get live on YouTube, this would actually have healed. Before foundation, I'm actually going to go with my brows first, and for that I'm going to use the Miss Claire eyebrow pen. I am actually going to use a BB cream today, so we're going to go with Pond's BB cream. All the places that need extra coverage, I am going to go with another layer of this particular BB cream. So technically we can pull it eventually all over the face, so we'll take it everywhere. First, start out with carving my eyebrows with my Essence concealer, and then we'll move into the other concealer thing. Clean, crisp, and done. Which is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'll quickly put it. We'll do the eyes, the under eyes at last, because when you keep the concealer for a while, it gives you a better coverage. So we'll go with the eyes at the end. You look up so that this portion of your eye, the very waterline, also gets covered. My hand is hurting now. Today we are going to bake the face because it's a party thing, and when you get into a party you have no idea when you are coming back. So it's always good to set the base in such a way it stays there for a while. Then I'm going to take it. under the eye, so that when I'm doing my eye makeup, if there is any fallout, this powder can actually catch the fallout. We'll just remove it at the end of the entire makeup. Where the entire concealer was. Just put the powder over there, and you know the normal T-zone where you feel you can get oily and sweaty throughout the night. So taking the contour, we are going to contour the face. So I will remove the excess powder from the face. I was sitting here speaking for what, like 5 minutes, and then I realized it's not recording, it's still in the pause. So I'll repeat what I said. So I usually, when I'm doing my entire look, I first start off with the eye makeup. The eye makeup is what I decide the first, and depending on eye makeup, I go for the entire dress, the the accessories and the lipstick whatsoever. Today I know what dress I have worn, I know the lipstick, I know everything. The only thing that I don't really know is what eyeshadow I'm going to wear. So I'm actually going to start with this Huda Beauty palette, and let's just start with the transition shade first. I'm starting off with this brown color. Let me put a transition at least, then we'll figure out what we are going for. I'm gonna go with the same palette, and I am actually going to take this particular color first. I think this is my thing, just because I want to give a flavor of pink to the lid. That is why I'm going with the pink color. So the pink has been laid. Again, this transition shade and a little bit of the brown. So I think I'll go with the cut crease. So I am going to take the concealer on my concealer brush, and I am going to put it on my lid. So I'm dragging the concealer into the pink color so that it can buff into the pink color. Got it! I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I'm just gonna experiment a little. You can see the shimmer brick. This is from Incolor. This is in the shade 04 Rose Gold. And what I'm actually gonna do is I'm taking the second shade. This is more rose gold texture that I am taking over the lid. Does it show up? I don't know. We'll build it maybe. In combination this looks good. So I think I'll go with this one with my finger. Shiny, yes. Yes, I like it. Okay, now we'll move into this later with the setting spray maybe. First let's give the pink its intensity back, and let's blend this color taking the transition brush. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this pink again with this particular more like a brownish orange color. Where this rose gold meets the pink, we are going to blend it there. Now moving in with the crease brush, the same two colors, I am going to take it and intensify the crease. Now the transition shade and blending it. Now, I think we need this color over this thing too. So I'm going to take this slightest touch of pink, slightest touch of orange with a little of the dark brown color, and we're going to put it just over here. Okay, so the upper eyelid is almost done. Let's just move into highlighting, and I'm going to take this topmost color and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this. Okay, now let's do the winged liner, which is the most important part of my entire look. Taking my Vienna eyeliner, giving it a good shake. These are two entirely different wings, can you see this? It's very risky to work with wigs sometimes, That might betray you at the end of the day. Taking out all the excess powder and the entire tape thing, the tape mark that came in. Some part of our base makeup was left, something such as a blush, and then another thing such as a highlighter. I'm using this Blue Heavens blush, and I'm taking it on this brush. And of course, I cannot let blush stay there on my foundation like that. I always have to go on with the beauty blender to give it a very natural look. I am going with the same shimmer brick again because, see, honestly, I took this out just for the sake of the highlighter, but then suddenly, I don't know why, this just called out my name for the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take these two colors. This much is enough for right now. Let's move into the lower lash line. I'm just going to take a kohl pencil and I'm just going to rim my waterline, but only halfway. I have taken the guideline from my pupil, this black portion of the eye, where it is ending. This is the point till where I'm going to take it. Now, here comes the surprise element. This is the moonchild eyeshadow from Wetnwild, and I am going to stamp it on my lower lash line. Only till where we had the kohl. I'm going to take it, around the wing too, just to mesh it into the wing. So I am going to take this yellow color and I am going to take it on the places where we did not have the blue, and at the same time meshing it in with the blue color. Also in the inner corner, take the spray, wet it, go into yellow again and darken it up. What I'm actually going to do is, with the same brush, we are actually going to take it on the edge of the rose gold onto my Me Now mascara, and I'm going to quickly coat my lashes. The glue on my lashes is a little wet right now, I'll move into lining my lips with a red lip liner. I'm going for a red lip. I'll move in with the lipstick first, then we'll move into the lashes. Why is everything so dry today? Okay, let's move into the lashes first, then we'll see what to do with that. I'll put on the lashes. And now the last thing to the entire thing was I didn't do my Cupid's bow highlight, and I'm going to move into that. Also, I'm going to take the same shade and a little into the yellow. Okay, so I did the bindi, and okay, to be honest, it looks more like it's my Karwa Chauth than just Diwali. But I mean, okay, it's Diwali, I don't care. It's just fine, whatever I can do. It's going to be on the ethnic side, right? So if you like this look, if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll meet you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.